My name, as I said early in the morning, it's Michael. I'm here representing Soweto BTC. I'm from Soweto. I think I have a presentation. Nonetheless, Soweto BTC is just an initiative that is trying to educate and empower community in Soweto. Here we're going to talk about precisely merchants. Our project, it's simple. We have a simple vision. Is to create a sustainable, inclusive financial ecosystem in Soweto. That's what we're trying to do. Soweto is about, it has a population of 1.7 million. You can think about it, 38 suburbs. Plus, there's an extensions because we've got what is called informal settlements, so it's growing. So our goal is to support small businesses within our area. Currently, I'm in Meadowlands. It's part of the west side of Soweto. So it has its own population, around 285 people. So it's not an easy thing to do to attract merchants to accept Bitcoin, but we are trying. We have a challenge. In most of the cases, we know that our people have been succumbed to scams and stuff like that. But we have to try and find a way of empowering them. So we bring them through education as the first approach. Then merchants, we teach them how to use Bitcoin on a practical level. So in terms of education, we started with Trezor Academy. Then we evolved to Mi Premier as well. So including that, we are also in our social program having kids to come in because we feel that the kids are an enabler to their parents. If the kids have an understanding about what money is, how they can use Bitcoin effectively, then they are able to bring their parents. Because their parents, they did succumb to scams. So they are skeptical about Bitcoin. They don't have trust. So we bring kids into the program. We give them rewards. They take those rewards. They go and spend them to the merchants that we have already onboarded. So also we know that in our space, fairly the business aspect or the economic aspect or the banking aspect is still working. Merchants are not easily to be brought into Bitcoin. They still need trust from us. So continuously go to them, talk to them, try to make them understand the value of Bitcoin. Why is it so important in their lives? So this is part of our program that we do. As you can see, a lady, she was making, what is this thing? Smoothies, thank you. For who? For kids. So we onboarded her to come in because she's making smoothies, but this is not her main business. Her main business, she does masseuse. She's running a business called, running now. I'll think about it. But she does massages, and so the kids from our school, Khonzi here representing Soweto BTC, they went to her, they enjoyed a spa treatment, they were relaxed in that thing. So it's Penyo Spa and wellness treatment. So also she runs a small farm patch in a high school where now I go to her and buy veggies from her directly, paying with Bitcoin. She's accepting Bitcoin. It's one of the other merchants. If you can check, we've managed to onboard 6 merchants, but here I've written 4. Because there are certain challenges that we are anticipating and facing with. So Bitcoin is really working, guys. It's helping the future. These are the kids. These are some of the merchants. This is the business that now accept Bitcoin through the process of cleaning bins for us. And what they do in the community is that they're doing recycling. But now I want to introduce another aspect into his business because it's a project, it's called Matsogo Matle Project. There are guys who are coming to him to bring recycling material so he can purchase from them. But if I can be able to get some of the sets into him so that he can pay the people that are called Mapara in Kasi who are collecting rubbish to him to recycle, then I will be able to circulate more of the sets within the community. So there are certain people who are benefiting, kids are benefiting from our program. They are using the ball cards, you can see that. They are able to transact using Bitcoin. So this is an overall aspect of us. Within that, thank you. If you can, help us build.